All right, guys, so we are going to now come into division, and these probably look pretty simple to you, which they are, and I'm actually going to show you an easier way to divide these out instead of having to write a huge algorithm to do this. This actually will be pretty simple. The only thing is they do want me to draw some place value discs just for letter A and C, and so we are going to do that just so you guys can see this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show me 500. Well, I know that I have 5 100s, so I'm going to show this 5. And I want to divide each of them, so I'm going to divide them by 10. Okay, so if I were to divide 100 by 10, I would get 10. If I would divide 100 by 10, I would get 10. So if you guys kind of notice, basically all I'm doing is I am dividing each of these discs by that 10. So if I had 500 divided by 10, how many 10s do I have? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is not 5, it's 5 10s. And how do I write 5 10s? 5 10s is 50. Now, here's a trick that I've kind of taught some people, is that when I have 360 divided by 10, I could actually think, well, you know what? I could take away that 0. I can take away that 0. And right now what I have is 36 divided by 1, which 36 divided by 1 is 36. Pretty simple, huh? All right, so let's look at this 12,000. And so what I can do is I'm actually not going to write 12 1000s. I could, but I don't need to. But what I can do is I can write a 10,000, and then I can draw a 1,000, and I can draw another 1,000. And I know that I'm going to divide all 3 of those because I've kind of separated them out. I can divide all of them by 100. So now, right, if I come here, and I'm going to do this one first. If I do 10,000 divided by 100, I am going to get 100. Okay. What if I took 1,000 divided by 100? Well, I'm going to get a 10. And if I have 1,000 divided by another 100, I'm going to get 10 again. So if I were to look at these, I've got 100 plus 10 plus 10, which actually equals 120. Okay. Same thing here, guys. This is pretty fun. I love really honestly kind of doing this. So I'm going to rewrite this. And because I have 2 zeros here, I can get rid of these 2 zeros here. And now I've got 4,500 divided by 1 equals 4,500. Okay, same thing down here. I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros here. 1, 2, 3 zeros here. I have 700 divided by 1 equals 700. So simple. Over here, I've got 2 zeros in that 100. I've got 2 zeros in that 100. I've got 5,300 divided by 1. That's going to give me 5,300. Okay, you basically are doing this, but you're doing it in your head. That is the nice part of dividing these nice tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, dividing by tens, hundreds, thousands, millions to make them nice, simple algorithms.